Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit card options with PNC Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your credit card options with PNC Bank, start by visiting the official PNC website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the credit cards section from the main menu. Review the different credit card options available to find one that meets your needs. Consider factors such as rewards, interest rates, and annual fees to make an informed choice. Click on the card you are interested in for more detailed information. Look for an option that says Upgrade or Request Upgrade within the card information section. Follow the on-screen instructions to check if you are eligible for an upgrade. Provide any additional information required, such as your income or employment details. Review the terms and conditions associated with the upgrade. Confirm your request to upgrade your credit card. You should receive a confirmation of your request shortly after submission. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from PNC Bank regarding your upgraded credit card. If you have any questions during the process, consider reaching out to PNC customer service for assistance. Monitor your account for the arrival of your new credit card once the upgrade is approved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.